My name is Aleksandra Zee, and I'm an artist and woodworker in Oakland. This is my best friend and studio buddy, Jack. Hi, Bubba. I originally thought I was going to be a painter, possibly an art teacher. I went to school for art, and it wasn't until I got a job working for a major retailer I was doing displays. I fell in love with being in the wood shop. This is the best part. Any project that revolved around me building something, that's what I wanted to run with. I eventually quit that job to start my business. Life as an artist really is a 7 days a week, 24 hours a day job. I make large scale to small scale art pieces that can go on the wall, be headboards, be tables, kind of anything. My biggest passion really is diving deep into myself and letting my work be an extension of who I am. The redwood that I get is sustainably farmed, so not cutting down any forests, which is really important to me. I create in a flow state. That's really what is most successful for me. So I kind of just think of a general color scheme and a general design, and I just go for it. So I like to give myself a little bit of freedom because even when I'm taking my own direction, I don't like being micromanaged. I don't believe that inspiration is just this way of life that I'm walking around inspired all the time. Be open to maybe the bad art that you make or the mess up. I didn't really think about how tiny he is when I was making it. And so he's got his little king's lair that can lead to the ultimate inspiration and the entire new body of work. I really could not be the person that I am today without this incredible community that I am surrounded by. Women that are doing the same thing as me, being female pioneers to their craft in a male-dominated world. I think that we can all accept ourselves more and love ourselves more and remember that we are powerful. It doesn't matter what our gender is. Being in Oakland is something that has supported my career. I have definitely found a community out here of makers that did the same thing, that have bigger spaces and were able to continue their art career and still be in the Bay. We're giving each other opportunities to keep growing and stay here.